So we have how many types of errors?
Yes.
6.
6 types of errors. What are the 6 types of errors that we have?
Errors of
Omission,
omission, errors of
omission,
commission, errors of principal, errors
original
of
entry,
original entry and compensating errors,
compensating,
and complete
reversal.
reversal of entries.
And complete reversal. What do you mean by error of omission?
Forgotten.
Forgotten.
You have forgot to record an entry. Okay, you all can
Yes.
switch off your videos if you want. You have forgot to record the entries. When you forget to record, there can be 2 types of forgetting to record. What are the 2 types?
Partial omission and full omission.
There is one that you forget to record, which is called partial omission, and
Yeah.
one that you completely forget to record, which is called complete omission.
Hmm.
Okay, fine. If you partially forgot to record, what does this mean?
Like you
Partially
forgot
मतलब
some part of the transaction, you just forgot to record
Either
it.
you forgot to record the debit or you forgot to record the credit.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell me, if you do this type of error, will it affect your trial balance?
Trial balance, yes, it will. It will affect the
It will,
total of the
because
balance.
either the debit will not match or the credit will not match. So it will
Yeah.
affect your trial balance. I need
Yeah.
answers, Ashita.
Yes, miss, I'm here only.
And I need answers, I said.
Okay,
Complete
I thought
omission. What is the meaning of complete omission?
complete
Completely.
omission is when you forget to record an entry.
You completely forget to record the entry. Will this type of error affect the trial balance?
Yeah.
yeah.
It will not.
Yeah, it will not.
It will not affect the trial balance because you have forgotten one complete entry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Can you tell me what is error of commission?
Wrong name.
Wrong name. What is error of principal?
Revenue expenditure.
Revenue expenditure treated
revenue
as capital
expenditure is
expenditure.
capital expenditure.
And capital expenditure as revenue. Or
Yeah.
revenue income is treated as capital income, or capital income is treated as revenue income.
Yeah.
What is error of original entry?
Error of original, wrong amount.
No, debit treated as credit, I think so.
No, wrong amount.
Wrong
Oh,
amount.
okay.
What is compensating errors?
Undercast and overcast.
Compensating errors is undercast, overcast.
Mm.
What is complete reversal?
Debit as
Debit.
credit and
Oh,
credit as
debit treated as credit and credit
Debit
treated as
treated
debit.
as credit
Vice versa.
and vice versa. Undercast, what is the rule?
Undercast same side
same
and
side,
overcast opposite side.
side.
Undercast same side, overcast opposite side. Very good. Come on. Now we have this first sum. Everybody will give me one of it.
Orally or right?
You all have to do it in your book simultaneously.
Okay.
Come on, start. Read.
A cash sales 820 had not been recorded in the books of account.
First tell me the name of the error.
Okay, this will be partial omission, I think so.
Who said it is partial omission? What have they said?
Oh, okay. Had not been recorded. Okay.
Which entry? Which is the error?
Okay, so cash sales has not been recorded in the books of account. So it will be errors of omission, complete omission, I think
Error of
so.
omission. Very good. Now, if you forgot to record an entry in your books, how will you rectify it?
Okay. Cash sales. Okay.
So, how will you correct it?
Wrong, correct, rectification like
If you
this.
forget to do something, the best way to correct is let do it.
Okay.
So you forgot to record cash sales.
Yeah.
How will you rectify it? You will record it.
Yes.
So what is the entry to record cash sales?
Cash sales. Cash sales will be cash debit
Hmm.
and bank credit. So
It's
no,
sales, right?
yes. So
Sales is always.
credit.
So you know it. Just apply it.
Yeah.
Come on, next entry. Who's that?
Cash sales of 2000 entered in cash book but not in the sales account. So this is partial omission.
It is partial omission. Okay. That means
Yeah.
you have entered one thing in the cash book, but you have not entered it in the sales account. So can you first give me a complete entry for cash sales?
So cash sales is cash sales debit, sales credit.
It is cash debit.
Yeah, sales credit.
Okay, sales credit. Now where did you record it?
In the cash book.
If I have recorded in the cash book, I will strike off this. I don't want to record it. Why I don't want to record this?
Because it's already been recorded.
Okay, so I will not record this. So the rectification entry of this will be what?
Suspense debit, sales credit.
Yeah. Sales will be credited because I did not record it.
Yeah, and suspense
And
will be
instead
debit.
of what I have cancelled, I will write suspense. Suspense debit. Are you with me?
Yes.
Come on, Farhan.
So cash account 100 omitted from the trial balance. It means that they forgot to write down a cash account in the trial balance.
Okay.
So cash account would be good. Cash account is like credited, right? It's
Cash
cash.
account has what balance?
Cash account is the cash account is a debit balance.
As a debit balance. So cash account has a debit balance. You forgot to put this in the trial balance. So you will put on
Yeah.
which side?
So if you forgot, well, what about the trial balance? I put that on the credit side.
You forgot to write it on which side of the trial balance?
Debit side,
So which side you will record it now?
credit side.
You had to write it in which
Okay.
side?
Oh, okay, debit side. So I have to still write down the debit side. Yeah, got it.
So what will the entry be?
So cash account debit, trial balance debit as well. Then suspense credit.
You had to record it in the debit side.
Yes.
So you will record it on the debit side.
Yes.
And suspense will be credit.
Okay. Right.
Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Come on, next one. Rohit.
Yes, miss. Goods costing frame 2400 has been debited to drawings, but no other entry is made. Okay.
So Prem has taken some goods
Yes.
as drawings.
Okay.
Can you give me the journal entry for drawings when you take goods away?
Journal entry for drawings. Okay. Drawings will be created. No, I know the entry. The drawings debit and purchase credit.
Yes. The journal entry for drawings is drawings debit purchase credit.
Yeah.
Now tell me, what did you do?
Okay. Okay, so drawings, he has debited drawings, but
Yani he has
no other
already
entry.
done this part.
Yes.
So will you do this?
No.
No. What will you do?
Uh,
Can you ask people to be quiet? We are recording. What will you do?
So we'll write suspense credit, I think so.
What do you have to do?
Would purchase credit
Hmm. And
suspense debit.
suspense debit.
Okay.
Which error is this? Can you tell me?
Okay, this will be errors of omission, I think.
Yeah, error of partial omission.
Yeah, partial.
Let's go to the next one.
Miss, I'm not done with the second one, last one.
Hmm?
Can you show me the second last one?
Yeah. Just a minute. Ashita, your turn.
Yeah, commission received
Now you please
$90.
concentrate here, Rohel, rather than doing that. Yeah.
Commission received of $90 entered in cash book, but not in the commission receivable account. So this is
Which
also
error?
partial omission.
Which error?
Partial omission.
Okay, it is error of partial omission. Why partial omission?
Because it's entered in the cash book but not in the commission received account.
It is entered in the cash book but not in the commission received account. Can you tell
Yeah.
me what is the journal entry for receiving commission?
Yeah, it would be cash would be debit and commission received would be credit.
Why is cash debit?
Because it's an expense.
It's an expense.
Yeah.
Why is cash debit? Anybody can answer. Why is cash debited?
So with commission received, so commission should be debited, but not in the commission received account.
Anything, na money is coming in, that is why cash is debited.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
Why is commission received credited?
that's the account name.
But why? What is the reason to credit it?
It is a cash, but not in
It
the
is an income.
as an income. So
What
that's
is the rule for nominal account?
All
yeah.
income and gains
Not
credit and
credit
expense
Debit
and
all
loss
expense
debit.
and losses
credit all income and gains.
and credit all income and gains. So why is commission received credited?
Because it's
Because
an
it's an
income.
income.
Because it is an income.
Fine. Now this is the actual entry that has to be passed for commission received. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But what did we do?
We entered it in the cash book but
We
forgot to
entered
enter.
it into the cash book. That means this part is already done.
Yeah.
So will I do this part again?
No.
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 So what will be the journal entry?
Suspense
Suspense,
debit.
debit, commission received, credit.
Very good. You're unable to rationalize the reason for passing the journal entry, huh?
Yeah.
Come on, Farhan, your turn.
No entry has been made for cash discount of $15 allowed to limb for prompt payment. So it's an error of complete omission.
Okay. Error of omission. You will only say error of what?
Omission.
Okay, fine. Then
So has been made for a cash discount of 15 allowed to limb. So wait, so cash discount is credited?
why?
Oh no, it's debited because it's an
Why?
expense, is it? Because you like allowing cash discount to
So
limb.
allowing cash discount for what? What is that?
It's an it's not an income, is it?
What is the rule for nominal account?
Yeah, debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain.
Debit all expenses and losses and credit all income and gain. Okay,
Yes,
so if you're allowing discount, is it an expense or loss for you or income and gain for you?
it's a expense and loss for me.
So what is the journal entry for allowing discount?
So it's gonna be cash discount will be debit.
Cash discount will is called discount allowed.
Discount allowed will be debited.
And
Limb would be credited. That's what it says.
limb would be credited. Okay.
Yes.
So you have not passed this entry in all.
So
So
it
what
says
will
no.
you do? You will pass the entry.
Yes.
So what is the entry?
Discount allowed debit, limit credit.
Discount allowed debit limit credit. Okay. Rohel,
Yes, miss. Stationery worth $40 purchased by cash but not entered in the books of account. This will be partial omission, I think. Yeah.
who said? Did they tell you that it is not entered in one account?
No, it has not. Oh, the entry has not been made.
Which omission?
Complete omission.
So this error of omission.
Yeah.
Okay, now tell me what is the journal entry? How will you rectify this entry?
Okay, so stationery will be, he has purchased it, so stationery will be debit
Hmm.
and cash will be credited.
Hmm. Next. Ashita.
New furniture worth 6,000 was purchased on credit from A1, but no entry was made in the supplier's account. So this is partial omission.
You will just write error of omission. You don't need to say whether it's partial or complete.
Okay, this is error of omission.
Okay.
And
Can you tell me the entry to purchase new furniture from A1?
yeah, so purchases will be debited and
It's
A1 will be
furniture.
credited. Furniture will be debited and A1 will be credited.
What is the difference between furniture and A1?
Furniture is the um
A non-current asset.
When
yeah
it's a
and
non-current asset, so you will write the name of the non-current asset. But when you're
Hmm.
purchasing good, you will write what thing?
purchases.
Purchases. Okay, so what
Okay.
is the journal entry to purchase furniture? Tell me.
Furniture debit, A1 credit.
So it is furniture debit, A1
A1
credit.
credit.
Okay, where did you not make the entry?
In the supplier account,
So what is already done?
the debit part.
This is done. So will I
Yeah,
write this again?
no.
No. So what is the rectification entry?
Suspense debit, A1 credit.
Rectification entry will be suspense debit, A1 credit. Are you with me?
Yes.
Next. Come on. Rohel.
A check for sale of equipment was entered in the bank account of 4,500, but no other entry was made. Okay. Okay. Check for sale of equipment. Okay. So it will be bank. This is errors of partial omission. I mean
Okay.
errors of omission.
Hmm.
So so bank will be suspense will be debit.
First, give me the entry to sell the equipment.
Sale of equipment. Sale of equipment will be cash debit and sales credit.
But bank account, na?
Okay, okay. So debit.
Is it sale of goods or is it sale of assets?
Sale of assets.
So bank debit, what credit?
Equipments.
Disposal of equipment. Just remember this.
Okay, disposal of equipments. Okay.
Where have you entered it?
I have entered in bank account, but no other entry was made.
So you have entered in bank account. So I will do bank again.
No.
So what will be the rectification entry?
Suspense debit, disposal of equipment credit.
It will be suspense debit. How much?
4,500.
And disposal of equipment credit.
Yes.
next one.
The total of sales return journal had been overcast by $300.
Okay, first give me the rule for undercast and overcast.
Undercast is same side, overcast is opposite side.
Undercast is same side.
Hmm.
Overcast is
Opposite side.
okay. So sales return journal is overcast.
Yeah.
Now tell me what is the balance of sales return journal?
Sales return journal is normally debited by 300.
Okay, so sales have a credit balance.
Yeah, so
Sales
sales return
return
have
will have a
debit balance.
okay. Sales return is overcast.
Yeah.
So I have to do the opposite side.
Hmm.
Opposite side is what?
Credit.
So it will be sales return credit.
Yeah.
What will be debited?
Cash.
Suspense.
Oh,
Suspense will be debited.
okay.
Are you all with me?
Yes.
Go to the next one.
Return inwards account had been overcast. Miss, return inwards means like drawings or what?
No.
Turn inward means
See,
purchase
when you
return.
purchase, the goods are coming in.
Yeah,
Are you with me?
Yes.
So when you do purchase return,
the goods are going out.
the goods are going out. Purchase return, another name for purchase return is
Return inwards.
return outward. Goods are going out, right?
Yeah, okay.
Another name for purchase return is return outward.
Hmm.
So another name for sales return would be
Return inwards. Okay.
return inward.
Alright, so sales return account had been overcasted by 100. So normally the sales return account is debited, but it has been overcast. So sales return debit, suspense credit.
Overcast of which side?
Overcast, wait, undercast seems like overcast opposite side. So sales return credit.
Hmm.
Hmm.
So sales return would be,
Credit.
but
And
I will write
suspense debt.
sales return or I will write return inwards.
Return inwards. Return inwards.
So return
Return
inwards
in
will be
credited and suspense will be debited.
Rohel. Rohel.
Yes, Mrs. A sales invoice issued to AB stores had been overcast by 100. So a sales invoice,
Can you tell me error?
this will be compensating error.
It will be compensating. Very good. Now tell me.
Yes, so a sales invoice was issued to AB stores had been overcast by 100. So sales invoice, okay. Sales invoice issued is for okay, sales. Uh so it will be sales is credit, so it will be debit.
Sales is credit, and since it was overcast, I will write it on the opposite side.
Yeah, debit.
Opposite side is debit.
Debit side.
So I will do sales
Sales debit. Yes.
and
Sales debit and suspense credit.
Ashita.
The total of the purchases return account was $454 had not been entered in the trial balance. So this is error of omission.
Hmm.
So purchase return is usually credited. So suspense would be debited.
So suspense is debit
And purchase return is credit.
and purchase return is credit. Farhan,
Yeah. The balance of the petty cash book 150 had not been entered in the trial balances. Error of omission. So the balance of the petty cash book 150 had not been entered. So like initially, so the balance of the petty cash book has already been entered of 150. So cash book will be
this has
debited,
not been
but
entered
okay,
in the
not
trial
been
balance.
in the trial balance. So just enter it in the trial
Just
balance.
enter it. Petty cash book has what balance?
Petty cash book has a debit balance.
So which side will you enter it?
Debit side.
So what will you write?
Petty cash book debit, suspense credit.
Rohit,
Yeah, miss. Discount received 286 had been omitted from the trial balance. Okay. So first, okay, had been omitted. Okay, so it will be errors of omission.
omission.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we have to write first rectify the entry for discount received. So
What is discount
discount
received as what balance? Debit or credit?
debit
Okay, when you receive a discount is income or loss for you?
income.
Income. What is the rule for nominal account?
Oh, okay. Debit all expense and loss and credit all income and gains.
So discount receipt will be debit or credit?
It will be credit.
Okay. So discount receipt you forgot to write in the trial balance. So now what will you do?
Yes. Now, okay, so it will be discount received, credit and suspense debit.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Come on, let's go to the next one.
The purchase return account had been undercast by 100. So undercast means same side. So purchase return will be credited and suspense will be debited.
Farhan,
So no entry has been made
this
in the
is what
accounting
error,
record.
Akshita?
Error of compensating.
No entry has been made in the accounting records for a motor vehicle 16,000 introduced in the business by Prem. That is an error of omission. That's the first thing. No entry has
Okay.
been made in the accounting records for motor vehicle, which is a non-current asset. So yeah, we're gonna make the entry. So purchases debit
Why
and credit
purchase?
because he accounted for motor vehicle introduced in the business. So he bought it, right? So it's coming in.
Motor
Anything
vehicle
that
is
is
non-current
introduced into
asset.
the business by the owner is called what?
Capital.
Oh, capital. Yeah, okay, okay. Introduced into the business by, okay. So it means capital. Capital is credited.
What will be
And
debited?
suspense.
Full accounting entry is not made, na?
Yeah, the full accounting records
So you have
for
to make
more.
a complete accounting entry.
Yeah, okay. So capital credit and say, wait, so capital credit. So,
What is coming in?
motor vehicle, non-current asset. We wouldn't be right purchases because it's a non-current
Is
asset.
goods coming in?
Yes.
Where is goods? Motor vehicle is a non-current asset.
Yeah.
If cash will come in, I will write cash. If motor vehicle is coming in, I'll write motor vehicle.
Okay.
Rohit,
Yes. One page of the sales journal had been undercast by 1000. Okay. Sales will be graded. So it will be okay. Uh, One page of the sales journal had been undercast by 1000. Okay, so the entry for this will be suspense debit and sales credit.
which error is this?
Compensating.
Ashita,
The bank balance $1,500 had been treated as bank overdraft in the trial balance. Okay, so Miss, in this I have to make the wrong reverse correct rectification wala na?
yes.
Okay. So
This is wrong name, right?
yeah,
Which error?
principal.
No,
Um
this could be complete reversal also, right?
yeah, but Miss, it can also Miss is principal wrong name.
No, wrong name is commission, na?
Oh, okay, fine.
Okay.
Miss, I think commission is wrong amount.
Original entry is wrong amount.
Oh, okay, fine. So wrong is bank balance 1,500.
What is the correct name? What was it? It was bank.
Yeah,
Bank has which balance?
debit balance.
So this was bank balance.
Hmm.
What did you treat it as?
Bank overdraft. So
So this
credited
is
it.
the wrong thing that has happened.
Hmm.
Bank overdraft has what balance?
Credit balance.
So you treated it as bank overdraft. Credit. Now reverse it.
Bank overdraft debit.
Bank overdraft debit. When I do the rectification entry, I will club the reverse and correct.
Yeah, so it'll be bank overdraft debit, bank balance debit 1,500 and suspense credit 3,000.
Bank overdraft debit 1500. Bank debit 1500. And suspense
And
credit
suspense
3000.
credit
Anybody has
3,000.
any doubt?
No.
So the correct entry would be bank
Bank
overdraft
debit 1,500. Bank balance debit 1,500. And suspense credit 3,000.
Farhan.
So the purchase journal for June had been undercast by 100. So undercast same side, overcast opposite side. So it says the error is that she has been undercast a purchase journal. So purchase journal has normally a debit balance. So the mistake that she did was undercast. So purchase credit, suspense debit.
You said purchase as debit balance. Very good.
Yeah, but
You said undercast same side. Very good.
mm,
But while passing the journal entry, why did you put purchase in the credit?
because the mistake she made was undercast.
Undercast is which side?
Same side.
What is the same side of purchases?
Debit.
So
Okay,
then why you put in the credit?
so alright, fine. So purchase debit, suspense credit.
So it will be purchase debit,
Suspense credit.
suspense credit. Are you all with me?
Yeah, yes.
Now they have asked us to make a suspense account.
Hmm.
Which account they've asked us to make?
Suspense.
Suspense account.
Now look over here. I'm making the suspense account and I will transfer it. You'll all are on the first 4 entries?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone?
Hmm.
Suspense account
Yes.
will be made on the last date. Now look over here. This entry has no suspense. This entry has suspense. Suspense is?
Debit.
Suspense is?
Debit.
So on which side of suspense account I will record this?
Debit.
Debit.
Debit side. How much?
2000.
And I will write the name of the opposite account.